Ever wondered why Jupiter suddenly looks brighter at certain times of the year? This isn't just a random occurrence, it's a celestial event known as Jupiter's opposition. In those moments, Earth and Jupiter align perfectly with the Sun, causing Jupiter to appear brighter in our night sky. This alignment, where Earth sits directly between the Sun and Jupiter, is a fascinating spectacle, making the largest planet in our solar system hard to miss. Well, this fascinating phenomenon is what we call Jupiter's opposition. So, what exactly does Jupiter's opposition mean? Let's break it down. In astronomy, the term opposition is used to describe the event when a planet is directly opposite the Sun in our Earth's sky. It's like being in a room with Earth in the center, the Sun at one end, and a planet like Jupiter at the other. This alignment happens once every orbit, and for Jupiter, it comes around approximately every 13 months. When Jupiter is at opposition, it's at its closest approach to Earth. Now, close is relative in space terms. We're still talking about a distance of nearly 400 million miles. But in the grand scale of the universe, that's practically next door. Because Jupiter is directly opposite the Sun from our perspective, it's fully illuminated, much like when we see a full moon. Imagine standing under a street lamp with a shiny coin. When the coin is directly opposite the lamp, it catches the most light and appears the brightest. That's what happens to Jupiter during opposition. This brightness makes Jupiter easier to spot in the night sky, even with the naked eye. But it's not just about brightness. Opposition also brings Jupiter into prime viewing position. It rises at sunset, reaches its highest point in the sky around midnight, and sets at sunrise. So, during opposition, you have the best chance to observe Jupiter and its 4 largest moons all night long. In essence, Jupiter's opposition is like a full moon phase for the planet. It's a celestial event that brings Jupiter into the spotlight, making it a shining spectacle in our night sky. So, the next time you hear that Jupiter is at opposition, look up. You're in for a treat. Now that we understand what Jupiter's opposition is, what are some key points to remember? Well, first off, Jupiter's opposition is a significant event for astronomers and sky gazers alike. It's a time when Jupiter is at its closest approach to Earth, and is fully illuminated by the Sun. This positioning allows for better observation and study of the gas giant, revealing intricate details that would otherwise be lost in the vastness of space. A crucial thing to note is the frequency of this event. Unlike a solar eclipse or a comet's visit, which can be rare sights indeed, Jupiter's opposition happens with a cyclical regularity. Approximately every 13 months, Earth catches up with Jupiter in its journey around the Sun, resulting in this alignment that we call opposition. Now, what does this mean for the casual observer? Well, during opposition, Jupiter is brighter in the sky than at any other time. Its brilliance is such that it outshines most other celestial bodies, save for the Moon and Venus. What's even more fascinating is that its brightness makes it easily visible even in light-polluted cities. So, even if you're smack in the middle of urban hustle and bustle, you can still partake in this cosmic spectacle. And for the more serious observers among us, opposition is the best time to study Jupiter's moons. With a decent telescope, you can see up to 4 of Jupiter's largest moons, known as the Galilean moons. You might even catch a glimpse of the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging on Jupiter for hundreds of years. So, mark your calendars for the next Jupiter's opposition, and don't miss the chance to witness this astronomical spectacle. Isn't it amazing how celestial bodies like Jupiter can offer such a stunning show? We've delved into the intricacies of Jupiter's opposition, understanding how this giant planet, when in direct alignment with Earth and the Sun, gives us a spectacular display. This event, like so many others in our universe, provides a chance to appreciate the grandeur of the cosmos. So let's keep our curiosity alive, continue to learn and explore other astronomical phenomena. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep looking up.